Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make Reuben egg rolls with 1,000 Island dipping sauce. To get started, get all the ingredients prepped. We need 1 pack of egg roll wrappers, half a pound of sliced corned beef, I'm cutting it to fit better in the wrappers, 1 cup of Swiss cheese, shredded or sliced, and again I'm cutting it to fit, and drain 1 cup of sauerkraut. Crack 1 egg and add 1 teaspoon of water and whisk. This is the egg wash to glue the wrapper together. To assemble the egg rolls, work with 1 wrapper at a time and add a slice of corned beef, Swiss cheese, and sauerkraut. Start rolling, and when you get to the middle, brush egg wash on the corners. Fold the side corners toward the middle and continue rolling to seal completely. Continue until all the wrappers and ingredients are used. Get your fryer ready and set it to 350 Fahrenheit, and while that's heating up, we can make the 1,000 Island dip. Add half a cup of mayo to a bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of relish, 1 teaspoon of finely minced white onion, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix until combined. Give it a taste for salt and pepper and set aside for later. Now the oil is heated up. Put a few egg rolls in at a time and fry until they're golden brown. Take them out to cool on a wire rack. And that's it! Serve with the dip and you got the perfect appetizer for a party. These taste just like a Reuben sandwich, but even better because everything is better deep fried. Am I right? Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!